I'll guide you through how to delete your YouTube channel permanently. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe and check out my other videos. They are very educative.
First thing you want to do is to make sure you have the correct YouTube channel selected. Then you go to the YouTube studio, the desktop version, not the app. Scroll to the bottom left, select settings, wait for it to load and click on channel. After this loads, you click on advanced setting and scroll down. Make sure you scroll down till the end. Then you are going to see at the end, you will see something written like remove YouTube content. Click on remove YouTube content. It will redirect you to this page. Then you have to verify your email address if it's you, because this is a very sensitive thing you're about to do. Then you are going to verify. I verified that it was me, did my face identification, and it took me to this page. Hide or delete your YouTube content. They'll show you two options. I want to hide my channel, or I want to permanently delete my content. So in this case, you want to select the second option. It is said that it will permanently delete your YouTube data. Make sure you understand what you are going to be permanently deleting. Then select it. You have to click on the following. If you want to permanently delete, you click to be sure. Then you select delete my content. So guys, if you have gotten to this point, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give me a like, and in case you have any question, I'll be in the comment section to answer all your questions. I've acknowledged that I am sure that this is what I want to do, and I'm very sure that I want to delete this channel. Then you're going to type your channel name to confirm that that's what you want to do, and your content has been deleted. This is so simple and straightforward.
That's it, guys. You have not deleted your channel. Please make sure you give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.